we shall discuss the problem on three-hinged arch. So it's an arch of span 20 meter. It is between two supports A and B. The span is 20 meter. The rise is 5 meter. From support level to crown point, height is 5 meter. Span 20, rise 5 meter. It is carrying a load of 100 kilonewton at a distance 5 meter from left support A. Okay. So it's a three-hinged arch carrying a point load of 100 kilonewton at 5 meter from left support A. So for this we shall find the reactions. So the question is, where are the reactions? So here we have 4 reactions, 2 at each support. So here we have HA, this is BA, and here we have VB, and here we have HB. So overall we have 4 reactions, 2 reactions at each support. I told you at point C the reactions will be 0. So now to find these 4 reactions, we will be using 4 equations. Among them 3 are equilibrium equations. So the first equilibrium equation is sigma H is equal to 0. So which are the forces acting in x direction? So we have HA and HB, both are acting in opposite direction. I told you the reason why they should act in opposite direction, to keep this arch in shape. So we have HA minus HB is equal to 0. So HA will be equal to HB. So among the 4 reactions, we came to know that 2 reactions are equal and opposite. So I will call this as equation number 1. So this is my first equilibrium equation. So coming to second equilibrium equation, it is sigma V is equal to 0. So summation of the vertical forces, or the forces acting in y direction. So which are the forces acting in y direction? So we have VA, VB and 100. These 3 forces are acting in vertical direction. So we have VA and VB acting in upward direction, that's why I am taking it as positive, whereas the 100 is acting in downward direction. So this is equal to 0. Summation of vertical forces should be equal to 0. So writing this equation again, we have VA plus VB is equal to 100. So let me call this as equation number 2. So VA plus VB is equal to 100. And the question is, how much is VA and how much is VB? So coming to third equilibrium equation, we have sigma m is equal to 0. Summation of moments about a point should be equal to 0. So this moment about a point, it can be A, it can be B, or it can be C, or any other point, the summation of moment should be equal to 0. So usually we take moment at A is equal to 0. So we made a practice of it. So moment about, summation of moments about A should be equal to 0. So let me see how many forces will come about A. So as we see, HA and VA are passing through A. So which means this two will become 0, and as well as HB. So among these 5 forces, HA, VA and HB are passing through A. That's why these 3 forces will not produce any moment. These 3 will become 0. So you are left with only 2. Which are they? VB and 100. These are the only 2 forces which will produce moment about A. See what should get here. So 100 into 5. Force in vertical direction, distance should be in horizontal direction. Moment means what? Force into perpendicular distance. Force vertical, distance horizontal. So it is 100 into 5. So about A, it comes in clockwise direction. That's why I am taking it as plus. So coming to VB. So VB into 20. Force vertical, distance horizontal. So VB into 20. So this comes in anti-clockwise direction, so it is minus. So this is equal to 0. So next, so here what we shall get? So VB will be equal to 100 into 5 divided by 20. So how much we get? Get 25 kilonewton. So VB is 25 kilonewton. Now what's remaining? So VA will be equal to 75. VA plus VB is equal to 100. Then VB is 25. Remaining VA will be equal to 75. So VA is equal to 75 kilonewton. So among the 4 reactions, I found 2. Now we need to find HA and HB. So which is the 4th equation we should use? We have used 3 equations. Sigma H is equal to 0, sigma V is equal to 0, and sigma MA is equal to 0. So to find this 4th reaction, we will be using the 4th equation, that is bending moment at C is equal to 0. Okay. So I will be writing this. So the 4th equation is bending moment at C is equal to 0. So to find bending moment at C, either you consider left portion or right portion. If you consider left portion, we have 3 forces, VA, HA and 100. If you consider right portion, I have only 2 forces, VB and HT. So better to consider right portion. So bending moment at C, we have VB into 10. So it is exactly at center. So VB into 10, anti-clockwise. So it's a bending moment, not moment. So from right side, anti-clockwise is positive. So that's why it will be positive. Next, HB into 5. This comes in clockwise direction. Say from right side, clockwise is negative, anti-clockwise is positive. That's why it is minus. This is equal to 0. I have considered right portion. That's why I got only VB and HB. If you consider left portion, I will be getting VA, HA and 100. I am considering only right portion, so I got only 2 terms, VB and HB. So now, what is HB will be equal to VB into 10 by 5. We already know what is VB value. VB value is how much? 25 into 10 divided by 5. So this will be equal to 50 kilonewton. So HB is equal to 50 kilonewton. As we already know, HA and HB both are same. So HA is also equal to 50 kilonewton. So like this, we will be finding 4 reactions using these 4 equations. 4 equations, 4 reactions. Using 4 equations, we have found 4 reactions. Thank you.